Do you need to replace the keyboard on your Dell XPS 9320? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Now use your plastic scribe to pry apart and separate the bottom base cover. Now unscrew and remove the bracket and disconnect the battery to prevent any static discharge. I also recommend sorting out your screws as you take apart your laptop. It'll make it that much easier during reassembly. Now unscrew and remove the battery. Now unscrew and remove the display assembly bracket and cables. Next, unscrew and remove the bracket and then disconnect the Wi-Fi antenna cables. Now disconnect the left and right speakers. Then unclip the locking tab to disconnect the power button cable. Now unclip the locking tab to disconnect the capacitive touch panel cable. Then unclip the locking tab to disconnect the keyboard controller cable. Next, unclip the locking tab to disconnect the haptic module cable. Now unscrew the cooling fans. Then unscrew and remove the motherboard. Now unscrew the bracket and power button. And then slide the cable through the palm rest assembly. Now remove the keyboard screws. Then slide the keyboard upwards to unsnap and remove the keyboard. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.